I have cherries for nipples. Love that for me. Hey everybody, it's Amanda. Today I'm filming my everyday makeup routine. This was very requested after my morning routine, which will be linked down below. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my go-to makeup look. I'm so sorry there are people landmowing outside. I just don't know what to do about it. I really can't do anything about it. Keep watching if you want to see this natural but very like glowy makeup look. I'm also doing a giveaway right now on Dote featuring a few of the products that I used in this video, so that will be linked in the description down below, so make sure you go enter that. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram. That will also be linked down below so that you guys can be notified every single time that I have a giveaway on Dote, because I'm not going to be saying it in every video. Just coincidentally, that giveaway popped up when I was planning on filming this video, so yeah, and they like kind of go together. So yeah, but make sure that you follow me on Instagram. I always post stories about my giveaways, and I'm having 3 a month, so you should definitely follow me on there so that you can win a bunch of cool stuff. Okay, let's get started. The first thing that I do for my makeup routine is prep my skin with moisturizer. So recently I've been using this new moisturizer that I got in the morning. It's the CEO Sunday Riley moisturizer, and it's been pretty good. It smells like oranges, so that's really nice. And then I use the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with avocado underneath my eyes. Next, to prime my skin and to give it a little bit of a glow, I've been using the Becca First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh. So this has a little bit of like a purple tint to it. It like literally looks purple when you put it in your hands, but it gives your skin a really pretty glow. You can even use it just on its own, and it just gives you like a natural glow. It's so pretty. So underneath makeup, it looks just gorgeous. So I've been loving to use this recently. See, it's just this like purple color, and it's just gorgeous. It has the prettiest like most natural glow. Like, it doesn't look like glitter on your face, but it definitely gives you a very gorgeous glow. So I'm just gonna apply that. I don't do too much for face makeup. I just really use concealer. So I am obsessed with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is actually one of the items that I'm going to be giving away, so make sure you go check that out. But I use the shades medium / dark 2 caramel and medium 1 custard and mix them because I don't have like the right shade for my like skin tone right now. Actually, maybe the darker one would match me better right now, but it kind of looks better mixed. And I basically dot this like all like over my face, and I just do like little dots of the darker color and little dots of the lighter color all mixed, and I basically use it as like a very light foundation. I don't know, I just really like the way it's been coming out lately, and that's just how I've been doing my thing. So yeah, don't ask, but yeah, and then I just blend it in with a beauty blender. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, I know this looks absolutely insane, but I promise you it literally just like looks so good when it's like all blended. In real life, at least. Hopefully it looks as good on camera, but it's my new thing, and I know I look like a cheetah, but you know what? Everyone does their makeup how they like it. So yeah. Okay, so I basically just like doing that instead of a foundation because it really just is a lot more natural and light, and I don't know, I'm vibing with it right now, so that's what I just did. Okay, next I like to use the Laura Mercier powder. I just put this under my eyes and parts of my face that get a little bit more oily than others, and I don't bake with it. I just basically like press it into my skin, and like I don't let it sit because I feel like it dries out my under eyes like a little too much, but yeah. Okay, so not all the time, but if I know that I'm going to be getting like photographed and stuff, I will take my Hello Flawless Benefit Powder and just like dust that very, very lightly. Like I don't take a lot on my brush at all, and I just will dust that a little bit under my eyes just to make sure that I don't have any flashbacks. That is literally my like #1 fear. I literally hate, not my #1 fear, that's extremely dramatic, but yeah, I don't know, I just don't like that, so I like to use this over it. Literally just dust it right over. And I used a MAC 129 SE brush. I got this in like a Christmas thing, so I don't know if they sell these separately, but that's the brush. So next I'm using another product that is in my Doe giveaway. I'm using the Tarte Park Avenue Princess bronzer. This is like my favorite bronzer, so yeah, I've had this forever. I've gotten like a million new ones of it. I just love it so much. So again, this is in my Doe giveaway as well. And then I'm using this little like Soho kabuki brush. I have no idea, I just like it for bronzer. I don't know. Next, I use another Tarte product. So this is the Tarte blush in Achio. I don't really know how to say that. A-C-H-I-O-T-E. I don't know. But I recently got this and I love it. I think it's such a pretty color. So I'm applying that on my cheeks with this e.l.f. brush. I don't really like care about any of the brushes that I use. I just like use whatever. And this is actually a pretty good, affordable brush. So next I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I use this little, again, e.l.f. 203 brush. I really like this for my eyebrows. And I use the Mad About Brows little $1 billion brows product. Palette. I'm so dumb. I use the color taupe that comes in this little palette, so yeah. Alright, next we're gonna do my eyes. So first I take the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Original. And we're just gonna put that all over our lids. Somebody really mowing grass right now? So I'm just gonna take my Benefit powder and just like dust that on my eyelids to kind of like set it. Alright, so most days if I am like putting any makeup on, honestly, I don't really wear makeup every single day at all because I don't really do much, so I kind of am just chilling and I don't really wear makeup every day. But if I do, most of the time I'll probably just wear mascara and no eyeshadow. But I'm going to show you the eyeshadow look that I have been gravitating towards if I am going to even wear any. So I use, there's really someone mowing their grass right now. So convenient for me because it's the only time today I can film this and I need to upload it today, so oh my god, that's just so annoying of them. Anyways, it is this Crown brush palette. It's Crown Pro. I don't know. Oh my god, they're really going at it on their grass. Oh my god. Okay, anyways, so this is the palette. I think it's gorgeous. It's very like peachy vibes happening, and I recently got this, so that's why I've been using it, but I really like the colors. So I don't do much. I take this little brush, if I can find it. Again, another e.l.f. brush. It's so cute, and this is actually an amazing brush. It's the 205 one. I take this color and this color and kind of mix them together, and they're very like light colors, so I just like mix those and put them in my crease. That is literally like so natural. Oh my god, freaking phone's ringing now. I'm so sorry about the landscapers. I can't. We like go home. We don't need a cut. We don't. But that's all I really do, and then I just take this like white shimmery color and just put that on my lid and in my inner corner to like brighten it up, and stuff like that. I'm gonna be using this, again, e.l.f. brush. It's just very tiny. I can't talk anymore because they are landscaping and they're pissing me off. I can't wait anymore. I've just been sitting here waiting for them to stop and they're just not, so we're just going for it. Please stop land moving. I have cherries for nipples. Love that for me. So next, this is a little out of order, but I'm taking my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray and I'm spraying this on my face, and then I'm taking my #1 favorite highlighter ever. It's so underrated, but it is the Stila Face Luminizer Sun Highlighter, and it's a very like golden color, so this is better for like summer. I don't use it in the winter because I'm too pale for it, and this would look gorgeous on darker complexions. It's so freaking gorgeous. I'm obsessed with it. So yeah, I just spray this on my face to make the highlight kind of pop a little more, you know? So refreshing. I love that. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I could cry. Oh my god, I can literally cry. It's gorgeous. Then I take a little brush and I do like my eyebrow bone, because I love when that has some highlighter. Then I do it on my little nose. It's so cute there. I love that. And then my bridge a little and my lip. Next, I take my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is also part of my Don't giveaway, so if you're not entering it, I don't know what you're doing. But yes, this is a little dry, so we need a new one of her, but it's okay. And I'm just gonna apply that to my lashes. I mean, I don't know how else you would apply mascara, but that's how I'm gonna do it. Are you kidding me right now? I just got mascara on my freaking white shirt. For lips, if I'm not wearing chapstick, this is my go-to. It's by e.l.f. and it is the Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Champagne Glam. I literally get questions about this every time that I wear it, and it's literally like $3 from e.l.f. So that's amazing. It's gorgeous. That is the look, ladies and gents. Okay, so that was my look. I hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial. I am a beauty guru now. I'm just kidding. I started as a beauty guru. Now I don't really know where I'm at. I'm kind of just thrown in the mix of things. I'm definitely not a beauty guru, but I just wanted to show you guys how I do my makeup. It's definitely not the most professional and not the best. No James Charles out here, but it was requested, so I gave the people what they wanted. I hope that you guys truly enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Peace out. I love you to the moon and back.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah.